Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is web development. Every business needs a website, and if you can build one, you're in demand. As a web developer, you'll create functional and visually appealing websites for clients. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use platforms like WordPress for beginners. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per website, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for mobile. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Next is market research. Businesses need insights into their target audience, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies make informed decisions. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for market research services. To stand out, focus on delivering actionable insights and clear reports. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Third is flyers and posters. From local events to business promotions, there's always a need for eye-catching designs. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to local businesses or event organizers. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. Finally, let's talk about product photography. Every e-commerce store needs high-quality images to showcase their products. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy photography, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of lighting, composition, and editing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per photo shoot, depending on the number of products. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional images. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to e-commerce sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose web development, market research, flyers and posters, motion graphics, or product photography, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.